Hi, my name is Molly Shuttlesworth, and today I'm going to show you how to use Face2Gene to send a patient phenotype to a laboratory for their use during the variant prioritization process. Once you've registered for an account and logged on to Face2Gene, follow these steps. As you see, I've already added the patient phenotype and photo. The next steps are simple. Click on the lab that you wish to send the sample to. If you don't see your laboratory here, contact the lab to tell them you'd like them to be a part of this service, or contact us at success@fdna.com. Follow the prompts to share the case. You can either fill in the patient's name and date of birth, or the sample ID if you know it. This will allow the lab to link the phenotype that you've submitted here to the sample that they receive in the lab. Next, you will see the option to share the patient's photos or other files with the laboratory. This step is optional. Even if you choose not to share these files, the lab will receive all of the phenotypic scores. Once the process is complete, you'll see information indicating that the case is shared. The laboratory will receive the list of features that you've selected and their HPO ID, the list of suggested and selected syndromes and their OMOM ID, but most importantly, a ranked list of genes, each one with a phenotypic score sourced from the photo and the selected features. The phenotypic information that the laboratory receives will improve prioritization of the causative gene, leading to more efficient and accurate diagnoses. For more information, visit www.face2gene.com/labs or contact success@fdna.com.